This is BirdNote. I'm Adé Ben-Salahuddin, and I'm an evolutionary biologist in training. Birds are the only dinosaurs here now. As someone with a lifelong interest in paleontology, this simple fact was, for a long time, what drew me to birds. It was something I'd always tell people on guided tours of the fossil collections at my local museum. But when everything shut down from COVID and the museum closed for a 3-year renovation, I began working at a very different place. 3 to 4 nights a week for nearly a year, I'd spend 12 hours in a warehouse, listening to the endless whirring of a labyrinth of conveyors and oversized Roombas carrying shelves full of merchandise. One winter morning, towards the end of my time at this company, I got off the bus and decided to walk past my house to an area where I knew there was a pond I'd never actually seen on foot. Barely tucked away from the noisy hustle of the city, a different chorus greeted me. I've returned to the area for over a year now, gradually learning the songs. Sometimes I catch a glimpse of the performers, a dash of cardinal red, a grackle's shimmering black, the yellow flecks on a cedar waxwing. I still think of their extinct cousins and hope to reunite with them in a few years at the museum. But I have a new appreciation for the dinosaurs around us, as they are, in the here and now. For BirdNote, I'm Adé Ben-Salahuddin.